Your Excellency the President, Your Excellency the Deputy President, distinguished guests, guardian, family, na waombolezaji wote, hamjaburi. Hamjaburi tena. Tumsifu Yesu Kristo. Milele na milele. Basi kama vile mchungaji amesema, majina ni John Gigi. Mwenda wake ni dada yangu. I'm here to read the Eulogy in Eulogy of the late Pauline Kuria. But Pauline Kuria was born in 1962 at Wamonti village at South Sub-County, Kiabu County. The late Sospita Kuria, Gadu, and Teresia Mahati Kuria. She was the first born among 6 siblings in the following order: Meligero, the late Charles Tegero and Maithori, Jim Maithori, Honorable Moses Kuria, John Gigi, James Kogi, Bernadette Awagio, and Honorable Aris Kenyanjui. He was also a stepsister to the late Esther, Lydia, the late Naomi, and Samuel. As the eldest girl in the family, Nyokabi helped her mother with the task of parenting her siblings, and through this, learn to be selfless, responsible, caring, and kind. Education. Pauline Kuria attended Kuria Primary School between 1969 and 1975. She undertook her secondary school studies between 1976 and 1979 at the Ionic Secondary School in Machakos County and the King Secondary School, Manu. Her faith, Nyokabi loved the Lord sincerely and lived her life as a Christian in truth. She was baptized as a child at the Kuria Church. In the year 2003, Pauline gave her life to Christ and joined the Free Pentecostals in Kenya as the Oasis of Hope Center Katudu. In 2010, she was baptized and has been a committed member of the Women Fellowship until her career. Pauline worked in the hospitality industry. She worked for various hotels in the country until 2003, when she decided to take up into pottery farming. She actively undertook pottery farming until the time of her parents. Family life. Pauline Nyokabi had one child, whom she dearly loved. Her love for her daughter was so study, and she worked hard to raise her well and support her in progress. She was mother-in-law track as the teacher of kids. In her lifetime, she was blessed with 3 children: Vanessa Petri, Valerie Nyokabi, and Don Odani. She loved her grandchildren immensely, and indeed, the grandchildren played a huge part in comforting and supporting her throughout her years. Pauline was an aunt to many. She loved her parents, siblings, in-laws, cousins, nephews, and nieces very much. And through watching her interact with them with respect and love, we learned the value of the extended family as an integral part of the family unit. Pauline Kuria started caring in the year 2018 when she was diagnosed with cancer. She received treatment at various hospitals, including a total of 5 hospitals: Coptic Hospital, Kenyatta National Hospital, Nairobi Hospital, and Kenyatta University Teaching, Referral and Research Hospital. Quite a best effort by the doctors and staff of Kenyatta University Teaching, Referral and Research Hospital, ICU, she went to be the Lord on Friday, 13th January 2023 at 5:07 p.m. She died at the age of 60 years. Rabbi Isaiah, I'm singing a psalm in King that Those who walk upright enter into peace. They fight less as they die. In the hatimaye kitabu cha Ufunuo 14 mstari wa 13 yasema, blessed are the dead who die in the Lord from now on. Yes, this is the Spirit. They will rest from their labor, for their deeds will follow them. They have so rest in paradise. Ukanawamuka ile poli nyoka kuja kujao. Poli nyoka kuja hasa ndio mwaka ile wa kitu ile ya wamwani katika ramuro. Kaunti ya Kiambu ni asilimia ya Kenya hospital kuja tatu na tres ya mwaka kuja. Ni mwaka ya mwaka nyoka hii sasa watu wanaweza kevu kwa nyoka and don't forget. Nina sinara wa taka rasmi ndio. Asilimia Miringeto, Mutika Charles Sagero, Jim Mambui, Mazuma Moses Kuria, John Piglet, James Koge, Bernadette Wakio, na Masiwa Aros Kumungi. Na aile umuna Mutika Esta, Ubeja, Mutika Yunamu, Asabo. Ari Tata, Wa Andi. Igithomwo. Mutika Ada umeme ya primary school mwaka wa 1995 akisoka Igithomwo secondary school Machakos na ndio usiwapi Igithomwo secondary school man mwaka wa 1976 to 1979 kanisa mutika yeye hapa tukio mwana mwingi kanisa wa kada watu wakatutu na ndio usiwapi akidamana kanisa wa Africa Pentecostal Church of Kenya ndio Oasis of Hope Katundu Kuria atu kataka ina kuruka ro. Kuria. Mutika genia bilivyo mira wa mkawa, akiruta mira mikawa ikiganirite kinya mwaka ile wa 2003. Tukausunia bilivyo mira wa polini wa guku kinya kuruka ro. Doani. Kwa mwaka ile wa 2018 mutika genia mnyakiwa tena mlimu wa kansa. Na kiabilia kulikuwa hospitali ikani kitaka tuwe kufai Coptic Hospital, Kenyatta National Hospital na Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital. Mutika ile angu pije. ICU hospitali ile wa Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital. Kwa nini wakatano mwe kumineka tu Januari 2023 dai kumineka sia kwa hivi alina programu ya kwa Nika ibahe amile na nika ibahe sokera. Ori aroma ya kura. Asante sana.
Ni kore
God is good and all the time. And good sana. My name is Kuria. Oli is my elder sister. I'll take you through on behalf of her daughter, and this is her tribute. Dear Mama, because God couldn't be here himself, he gave me you. You have been my guardian angel, my confidant, my best friend, and wonderful mother. It has been you and I against the world. My heart is shattered in a million ways, knowing that henceforth I'll be facing life alone. I promise to do my best to make you proud and to take care of the grandchildren you adore so much. Being your daughter has been an honor. God couldn't have chosen a better parent for me. I am grateful for every sacrifice you made to give me a good life. I loved you in life, and I love you more in death. I cherish dearly every moment we had and all the memories we made. I will keep you in my heart till eternity. Asante.
Thank you, Bernadette. Alois.
Most humble, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, our dear Deputy President, His Excellency Brigadier Gachagua, the clergy, the church, the cabinet secretaries, the political class, na watu wetu wa Kiambu, all protocols observed. God is good all the time. Yesu neno wa kuroka hivi. My name is Alois Kinyanjui. I am a son in this family. I have lost a mother and a sister. I will take you through, on behalf of my brothers and sisters, a song for my sister as a tribute. As a firstborn sister, Pauline acted as a deputy to her mother. She was the principal assistant when her mother was frequently absent due to her hassles in her market business. Very seriously, she took the role of making sure that all was well. Many times, home chores will be divided into weekly rotas. You know, we are many, and we are many. Our home was like an industry. Pauline, the deputy mother, although soft-spoken, will ensure compliance, but with firmness. We thank God for having blessed us enough with Pauline as our sister. Through her, we have known unconditional love, selflessness, and generosity. She was most compassionate. Later on, when our years advanced, Pauline would still follow up on the progress of each aspect of our lives, such as education, our careers, and even politics. We've lost a pillar in our life. But as they say, a sister makes your life complete wherever she is. Pauline, you make us complete. Remember us. We too shall remember you. Fare thee well, sister. Thank you so much.
Joyce, Kuria.
Good afternoon. His Excellency President, Dr. William Ruto, Deputy President, Dr. CSS, all MPs and honorables, the clergy. My name is Chase Kuria, the wife to Moses Kuria, and I'm here to read the tribute right now. My darling girl, angel, precious fruit of my womb, whom God has called back to heaven. I loved you from the day of your conception. I've watched you grow from a tiny human into a beautiful woman. Your existence made my life beautiful in so many ways. Not only were you a diligent deputy mom to my many children, but you are also a kind and responsible daughter, perfect in every way. I thank God for you from the time He allowed you on this earth. It pains me deeply to mourn you, my daughter, with whom I've shared most of my life. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Thank you, Joyce. Kevin.
With all due respect, good afternoon. My two names are Kevin Kuria, and I'll be reading a tribute from nieces and nephews. It broke our hearts to lose you, but part of you remains with us. You stepped in for all of us when our parents were held up. You will take us to school and visit us in school, even in the pouring rain. Auntie, you look after us and you look after Shosho. Our trip to Sharks meant we will definitely see you. You will welcome us with good food as you are nothing less of a throw-down queen. After a hearty catch-up, will send us off with a basket filled with goodies. It is yet to sink in that you are gone. What consoles our hearts is that you are no longer in pain. You are strong throughout till the end. May the Lord grant you peace as you lay you to rest. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Kevin. Vice.
His Excellency the President, Dr. Kuria, his Deputy Gachagua, and everyone of clergy and everyone in the congregation. My name is Vanessa Kelly and I will be reading a tribute to my beloved grandma. Recently, I just lost my beloved grandmother who passed away on Friday, January 13th due to illness. She was a lovely and wonderful person who cared for others more than herself, and her loss is felt deeply by many. For the past few months, she fought through cancer, and seeing her suffer in those last days was extremely difficult. My grandmother was a beautiful lady who loved beauty even in her old days. She had over 10 handbags and purses. She even had nail polish on her nails, which were cut 3 days before she passed on. I will miss every moment she came to visit us, which was likely every week. I will miss not seeing her while visiting her home. She was the best grandmother I could ever imagine. The love of a grandma is unique. God must have given them to us to live up our lives. My grandma has played a big part in me and my siblings' childhood. Even if my younger brother will not remember most of the memories, I am sure her spirit will live in our hearts forever. I still can't believe she is gone forever, but it's God who gives and He who takes. I will miss you more than anything, and I'm grateful that you are my grandmother. Rest in peace, dear grandma. May we meet someday. We will never forget you, and we will always love you forever.
Thank you as well.